And what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Weekend Warbux. This week we are on step 3 of the wonderful detailing of this truck of mine. And this week we're going to be using JetSeal. Now, if you know anything about JetSeal or any kind of sealant, this is something that you want to use before you put any kind of wax on your car. I know that sounds weird, like why wouldn't you want to seal in the wax? It's because this does not stick to wax, okay? If that makes sense to you. If you're especially using like a pure carnauba wax. Carnauba? We all say it different, right? So this week, this is gonna be on top of the Blacklight that I have already put on my truck. And also, like I said last week, this can be used on your windshield. And it's gonna have like a rain X effect. It's gonna be able to repel water, things like that. So that's gonna be interesting. Hopefully it doesn't leave like any after streaks, any kind of swirling, I guess, that you would be kind of blinded by with headlights coming at you at night. Hopefully it doesn't have that kind of effect. I know I'll be sure to polish off as much as I can, obviously, but there's still always that little tiny bit of worry. Hopefully that's not going to be the case. Unfortunately, I won't be able to test that for you, but let's get on with it. Again, this is JetSeal by Chemical Guys. My first time using it. It's going to be with a DA again, finishing polish or finishing pad, and it's going to be at speed 3. You can go up to 4, it says, but you know why even like go over it. But another thing with this, you let it set for about 20-30 minutes, and then if you want to do another coat, go ahead. Also, once you put it on, you cannot get this car wet for 12 hours at least. So if you're gonna do this, put this on maybe late at night after dinner so it has time to cure overnight, especially if you have a garage like I do. That would probably be super key for you. All right, let's get on with it. Here we go. All right, let's get ready for up to 12-month protection. I've actually had to swap pads because my other one's pretty much done for. Gotta order some of those, huh? All right, again, numerous people do different things. Some people do the 5 dots, some people do the lines. However you want to put on your own wax, I'm not gonna judge you, but the internet will. Let's get on with it, all right? Alright, super easy to put on, and also it just glides. I don't know if this is also because of the 45 polishes I already have on this, but it's probably a lot easier to apply than wax. So keep that in mind. Let's finish the rest of the car. I'll get back to you once the entire car is covered and we're getting ready to buff it off. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, I have gotten the entire car covered, and it has probably been somewhere around half hour to 35 minutes that I've let this just sit and cure and hope for the best. I have done the windshield. I don't know if you're able to see that on camera, but now let's pull out the old microfiber towel. Let's see how easy or difficult this is to take off, and just like everything else, so easy. A little bit of dust, but that could also just be from letting it set up for so long. That makes sense. This is very easy to take off, as well as just like everything else we've been using the past couple of weeks. Not too shabby at all. Let's see what it's going to be like for the windshield here. You know what? I don't think we're going to have an issue with the windshield. Remember how I said about possible swirl marks? This is coming off very easily. One thing that I can say, if you've ever used like Rain-X, right, like it could be a pain in the ass to just wipe off of your windshield after it's already been cured. I know sometimes you want to put on a second coating, things like that. And I know they even tell you now, like, you can use water to take off the Rain-X, even though you weren't supposed to before. But even they probably were like, this product, it's kind of tough to take out. So a lot easier with this, and also, again, remember, keep in mind that you cannot get your car wet for 12 hours after you've applied this. And that's terrible for me because all of a sudden it's like raining today, so I can't go anywhere now. Fantastic. So that's going to be it, guys. Next week we are going to finish this up, and we're going to be using Chemical Guys butter wet wax that we can apply right on top of this JetSeal, which you're supposed to do anyways. And that's going to be our final step. So I hope you've enjoyed everything so far, guys. And I will see you next week. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any other products that you want me to try and find and review, I'm glad to do so. Leave them down in the comment section below. All right, guys. We'll see you next weekend.